Van t graph generator, important 5-mark question. See the diagram. This Van t graph generator designed by Van t Graaff. Van t Graaff is a scientist name. Van t Graaff. It produces large electrostatic potential difference about 10 to the power of 7 volt. You can produce the potential difference about 10 to the power of 7 voltage. What principle we used? Electrostatic induction. What is electrostatic? Without contact, you have to attract. That is called electrostatic induction. And action of points. Action of points means, you see, it's a point like a needle shape. It will attraction by the needle shape. The charge attraction by small area like needle. So that is called action of points, or another name is called corona discharge. That is called corona discharge. Actually, this another name is called corona discharge. Discharge. So construction, here one hollow metal sphere A, two pulleys connected in center of the metal sphere, one pulley B, another pulley below the spherical conductor, another one what C. The pulley C is driven continuously by the electric motor. This is always rotating because of this one rubber belt connected with the two pulleys. So always rotating in one direction, like this direction, by using electric motor. By using electric motor, always rotate. The positive potential 10 to the power of volt by the power supply. Here one power supply is given. Here 10 to the power of 4 voltage you have to give. This by using one battery, you have to give 10 to the power of 4 voltage here. See, negative terminal connected with ground, positive terminal connected with one comb B, or you can take D. This is a comb shape. Another comb is connected inside the metal sphere E. Now, the comb is connected to the inner side of the hollow metal sphere. Now, switch on the battery. The motor always continuously rotating in one direction. If you switch on the battery, some amount of current passing through the wire like D. So only positive charge, only positive and negative. Then potential will moving in one particular direction. Here, in this comb, this is rubber belt. In between, some amount of air is there. Inside the pulley, here one belt and comb, in between some amount of air is there, so open space only. So if you give 10,000 nearly 10,000 voltage, high potential inside the air will get ionized. Ionized means what? Removal of electrons, the electron removing. So here the electron removing means what? Positive and negative charge separated inside the air. So the positive charge attracted by the rubber belt, but negative charge moving towards the ground because of the negative charge towards the ground. So it moving downwards towards the ground. So negative charge fully neutralized, only positive charge only stick on the rubber belt, always continually positive charge moving here. So when a positive charge moving in one particular place, then after it will spread over the metal sphere by the electrostatic induction. All the positive charge are attracted by the metal sphere that spreaded over the hollow spherical conductor. Now the comb is and reaches the outer surface of the sphere. Here another comb is there. So in this comb, the negative charge neutralizes the positive charges in the belt due to the corona discharge before the passes over the pulley. So here some amount of positive charge, suppose some amount of positive charge moving this belt, so that positive charge attracted by the comb E, then neutralized here. So the moving downwards, there is no charge in the belt. There is no charge. But here, again the positive charge created, negative charge moving towards the ground, again positive charge moving to the belt. Here the spreaded over the hollow spherical conductor. Then suppose extra 1 or 2 positive charges escape inside, the comb P neutralize the positive charge, then only the positive charge only present outside the hollow spherical conductor. Now in below the pulley, this side there is no charge, again it will charge created, then again it will positive charge moving, then there is no uncharged belt moving this area. So this side uncharged, this charged. It's a continuously rotating by using the electric motor. So here this comb, what is the use of this comb? They neutralize the negative charge. This negative charge moving towards the negative charge. This is a positive charge means negative we can easily attract. Negative charge moving towards the ground neutralized. Only positive charge only attract by the rubber belt. So this potential difference of the order of 10 to the 7 voltage can produce. So here, so more charges present on the surface of the hollow sphere, it will produce nearly 10 to the power of 7 volt potential difference produced. So you can use 10 to the power of 7 voltage. This is called generator. Generator means producing electricity. You can usually use 10 to the power of 7 voltage produced. This is a use of Van de Graaff generator. Another application of Van de Graaff, accelerate the positive ions. Only accelerate means increasing the speed. So accelerates the positive ions. Accelerates the positive ions means protons and deuterons. Only positive charge. Proton and deuteron is a positive charge. Why negative charge cannot accelerate? Because this battery is a positive. The positive battery only attracted by negative only. So if you use negative charge, the negative charge means it will not attract it because of positive protons only positive charge. Deuteron also positive charge can easily accelerate. If you use electron cannot accelerate because of electron attacked by the ground, so it's neutralized. Only positive charge only can accelerate. This generator is producing potential difference about 10 to the power of 7 voltage. This discovered by Van de Graaff.